COVID-19, what is COVID-19? COVID-19 is never having it was happening for 1 year. China is US France in the year of 2019. Coronavirus is the largest family in virus in common world in health. Really epidemic of coronavirus can jump in much to humans with casual disease. Other example like SARS in 2020. Symptoms of the coronavirus can appear due to 14 days expansion. That time after expansion and before having symptoms are incubation symptoms. Common symptoms are included in fever, cold, tiredness, and early symptoms are included in shortness of loss of taste and smell. Other symptoms are included in shortness of breathing and difficulty breathing, presence such as chest pain and weak eyes, headaches and
what are the precautionary measures needed to stop the entry of
only we use one way to move here. If the here is a trophy, if here is a signal, we just here if ambulance is here, it goes signal. The signal goes the transmitter here. The transmitter receives the waves which are coming from the signal. Receives the signal and according to the red zone, these lights are glowed. When the lights are glowed, the people know that. When a room comes into the public, they also know that the DJ gate, which is provided for only specific one and emergency one. So,
connect to the breast wash injection syringe and into the key from heavy metals. After bottom of the cylinder, keep the cap and connect from the two needles. One is the positive terminal, another is the negative terminal. And the connecting wires is connect to the negative terminal can connect to the battery cells. So the positive terminal is connect to the piezo process. So if you are keeping our hand, so when we erase our hand, we will give the sound. So we will be not like.
Madam?
Patients are dying because of ambulance delay, loss of profit rate. So for that I have created an idea, red zone map. How the red zone works? Simple. When an ambulance is coming with an emergency case or any other patient, when it coming, the transmitter will be passing a signal to signal traffic signal. How means the ambulance driver will be asking route map to Google Map. So Google will show you a nearest hospital and a good roadway map and shortcut road. So this transmitter will be transferred the pulses into the receiver. Receiver will be receive the signals impulses and it will create a red zone. So this red zone will be not in a long way map. This just only 500 meters. When the ambulance enter into 500 meters, there will be a critical problem. Overall, the critical traffic will be there. So when the red lights will be go, they will give a simple path and they will create a good way to ambulance map. So ambulance can clearly go map and can cross the traffic signal. So if you have a critical doubt here, ma'am, what the doubt means? So in a traffic signal, every time a vehicle will be moving. So here also a problem is creating. So here also time is also happening, ma'am. So for this, another technique also has been created, ma'am. That is doctor symbol. When the doctor symbol has been closed, everywhere the traffic should be blocked. Every vehicle also should be blocked. So for that also ambulance will be clear, no traffic, no time waste, and patient is safe. Everyone time also is low. So ambulance can be go fastly and patient will be safe, ma'am. So this is a way red zone has not created only for emergency, ma'am. This is created for another reason. This will do multi-purpose. Another one is, for example, madam, in Hyderabad, major cities, when the CM convoys or government officials travel, that time common man is very suffering. 1 hour to 2 hours he is suffering in a traffic. Because of traffic suffering, many business are also falling down. So for that also, same way how a ambulance is giving a transmitter to the receiver, like that purpose, CM convoy or any government officials, they should also give a transmitter to the signal. So that time also a signal will be created, sir. For that time, CM convoy also be gone. No time has been taken for separate, sir. Then has the ambulance going, like that CM convoy or government official also they can also travel. Another benefit also what is been done, time is saving. For example, and another in Greater Hyderabad or any other cities, ma'am, if we want to increase the roadway, it is highly cost process, ma'am. So here we are not taking an extra road, ma'am. What the path is there, we are creating a red zone for 30 to 1 hour minute path of red zone. So it is not a costless and better for CM convoy or emergency. This is very useful to ambulance, especially if CM convoys or any other officials.
Our topic is protection citizens from smart alarm. These pandemic situations we will use the alarm. That is very useful to us. So we are trying to get our situations about the coronavirus.
What is COVID-19 virus? COVID-19 virus is known as the novel coronavirus. Because of
Theme is the protection from disease.
Why we call it as a novel coronavirus?
Novel coronavirus is said. Why you are calling it as novel? Because of all our God will be virus in the disease known as novel coronavirus.
Okay, you can continue.
novel coronavirus, you can depart automatically.
Novel means it changes antigens.
Changes
Anti. So these are, what is this? Right. Yes. So based on the medicine if you use also, these antigens automatically it changes based on the medicine. Right? So that's why we call it a novel. There is no specific antigen. If we are using antibodies separate, based on that the antibodies, the antigens taken modify. Right? That's why we call it a novel.
Good afternoon, sir. This is J. Rakesh and my friend M. Surendra. We are from KWRD.
Continue, madam. Continue, madam.
Continue.
COVID-19 is known as novel
Causes and
coronavirus.
disease, which depends on the traffic rules and the death rates and also saving of people's lives and saving of time. Depends and also the clearing traffic easily in the cold and when we see in your daily life there is a lot of traffic.
Can carry
In
other
Delhi,
example like
Hyderabad,
in
Mumbai,
2003,
Kolkata, Bangalore, to see the traffic
symptoms
heavily.
of the
So
coronavirus
when
are clear to 14 days, sir. It's very sure that after and before it's very sure having symptoms are called incubation period. Common symptoms are included in fever, cough, tiredness, and general symptoms are included loss in taste and smell. And other symptoms are included in shortness of breathing and
So for that I have invented
difficulty breathing and red juice and chest pain and pink eyes are patient will be affected with coronavirus.
ambulance driver will be having
So first of all, they take the injection and cut the noses and inject and keep the metal objects into syringe. So the bottom of the cap attached to feet. One is the indeterminate terminus and another is the positive terminal. So the positive terminal connect to the piezo and the positive ambulance
Another benefit also is there.
cells.
In
So
Hyderabad,
when you
when
are
CM
touch,
go, that
when
time
we are erase our hand, so in our hand we have different type of viruses we have, so we don't know. But when you are hand we erase, sound is safe. So we will say how to don't touch our faces, how to professional
they are not writing the words, sir. We are
don't touch our faces. So why do we touch our faces?
We are not writing the words, sir. Just we are
So
giving
is
the
this
path,
the
sir.
theme to
That is
identify
path,
whether
and face.
positive or negative of corona?
And also,
You have to take a precaution. Don't touch your eyes
my
and
right,
nose.
my right face, sir.
So while you are touching, before going to that, it will give an alarm. That is the medicine. So while explaining, we are little bit clarity.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. This is what we are when we very useful in the body manipulation.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Parishri. I am representing from Calcutta. So, my topic is handmade sanitizer. So, handmade sanitizer.
When we are arranging our hand, we will do the sound when we touch our faces.
For this. So, because we got this name to save the lives of the people who are suffering, may they are rich or poor in the society, not the discrimination will show. When the ambulance is coming through a road, it comes to near to the signals. When it comes near to the signals, nearly 500 meters, the red zone will close. And when the red zone close, the ambulance, all the vehicles will give way to the ambulance. And the main purpose is that to decrease the death rate which are causing by the accidents, maybe in forests like Nallavalla and any other, to decrease those and to give the birth. Maybe a woman getting to the delivery, so it is an emergency case. In the traffic, if she is struck, the pains will increase and the reason may be death of child or death of the mother. So we want to stop those and the whole and the ratio and statistics of the world. Our Indian country has 16.6 statistics, and per year we take the Indian statistics. Nearly 1,46,133 members are accidentally losing their organs or any other things. Nearly 30% of people who are losing their lives
Because
because of the delay of ambulance. This emergency way is not for only ambulances. It is also helpful for the political or business or any other who are.
For example, when we see in Greater Hyderabad, CM Congress go. If the CM Congress come, nearly 1 to 2.5 hours, the traffic will be blocked. Because of that, many common people are suffering in traffic. So for that, this at multiple times, this is low cost project.
Not any highways or any other made for this. Only the zone is priority here. And this is our project to improve in our cities, to control the traffic and to save the lives and to move on all the politicals or any other business people who are going to their works. So here this is the main concept, and it is low costable, not it is rich, because not we are widening any road or any collapsing any buildings beside the roads.
Just
So
we are putting a red
zone to move
White line.
and to save the people lives. This is our concept and theme. Thank you so much.
Like 12 roads.
12 ones. Yes, sir. When the ambulance reaches 500 meters from
Transmitter. Here is the transmitter, sir. This transmitter will send the person
Signals.
to the receiver, sir.
Receiver.
This receiver will
close all these red zone lights.
It shows the red zone, sir.
When the red zone glows these lights, automatically the vehicles may attract
they know now,
two-wheeler,
sir.
four-wheeler or any other moves away to give the
They will
way
give a path to the ambulance.
ambulance.
No one will.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Here the transmitter. When the siren blows a sound, sir, the transmitter sends the signals to here.
500 meters, sir.
If not,
500
we see that commonly we see that in the traffic, people are using, the driver is using siren, but not people use the siren because they have their own work.
See sir, here.
They have their own work. They
Ambulance-
ambulance expected here.
Here,
So
the 4 paths are divided, sir. In these 4 paths, we have to create a one path as a red zone. That will be simple.
To
The
move
ambulance
on.
can go freely and in low cost, low time will be created and the patient will be also
Safe.
safe, sir. This is our intention for life of patient.
DLP convoy and ambulance both are coming.
And no, sir. At a time, not. Means multiple purpose, sir.
Yes, sir.
Ambulance want
Okay.
to go, ambulance will go.
Sir.
Like CM convoy want to go, they can go. Just they want to give a transmitter signal purpose to receiver.
Sir.
That's all. This all are dependent on traffic police, driver. That's all.
And also we give priority to the ambulance because of only one vehicle for move first. If one convoy is moving with his maybe DSP or police or any other political field, because for those we give priority to the ambulance to save the life because the life is most and much important to the, and they also elected. They want to give priority to the people. So just for 5 or 10 minutes, when the ambulance crosses its way,
They can also.
then the convoy also move from that place.
No heavy traffic will be. CM convoy contains only 10 vehicles. This is an ambulance. They can
Only
simply
one
come.
vehicle. It is
Just
more easy to chase its destiny and to save the life of mother and child also.
Like